Alright, people. We got a bunch of stuff here. It is the first day of July, of course. I'm not gonna need that. Okay, let's just open everything up. Okay, we got the plushie. We obviously don't need the plushie. You can customize it. There's only a couple months where the mom's items really come into play. There's the backpack, the apron, the sweater. There's 3. Plus the rugs. The rugs, to a lesser extent, there's only 4. I think I already have 2, so maybe I'll luck out on that. I don't know. But yeah, it's July now. So I expect that we'll get update news by the end of the month. Purely based on how things have kind of gone. Right? You gotta look at when the Nook shopping items are available until... and they like end like July 22nd or something. Or, I can't remember, or something right then. Anyway, I expect end of the month we'll hear news, and hopefully it'll be a big one, because last one was small and maybe they've been taking time. I don't know. Doug Bowser said that they're still working on stuff, so you'd hope it'd be something bigger at least, but you never know. Either way, I will have to make a trip to a Bug Island. Not a Bug Island, but it could be Bug Island. I will need to get to a Mystery Island eventually, but not now. It doesn't really make a difference. I gotta get those bugs. Chances are I won't be able to find them on my island, but I might do a quick run around just to see if I see anything. There's the cicada shell, which is all day, and then the blue weevil, which I released one of. I had them all. I think that one's all day on palm trees or something. And then the other 2 are 4 to 7 and 5 to 7 p.m. So those ones I'm not going to be able to do anything about right now. I was almost considering delaying. Well, I didn't really consider it, but it was like, oh, I could delay the stream to work on that today, but nah, I'll do it in a bit. Not quite yet. Gonna order this. All the other items are gone. There's gonna be some more. I don't remember when they start. I think like in a week, maybe? Okay, so Red was here yesterday. We got a Jolly painting from him. He was real. But I don't need it. Alright, got one of those. I'm just gonna amass like a separate collection, and then I can like recreate the entire museum outside somewhere. That sounds like a fun idea. Alright, what's his face is here today? Had a feeling that would be the case. Okay, so we gotta deal with Gulliver, we gotta move the house. We gotta deal with him on my other character. This isn't Tandy or Dandy. Alrighty. So, let's get started. Don't need that. Okay, where are all of these things? Why is everyone inside? Ugh. Okay, here's one. I have another shovel, I think. So, yeah, we're fine. I'm unsurprised. Oh, wait, that wasn't even the communicator part? You're trolling. Seriously? The first one I dig up is a clam? Get out of here. What the? What? 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 Oh my god. Alright, come on now. Come on now. There we go. Stupid community. What? What? I don't understand what's going on with these spots today. They're kind of ridiculous. Is that 4? Yeah, okay. One more. Let's go. Maybe it's over here somewhere. Alright, cool. We're good now. I'm gonna stop shaking the tree furniture down today. I'm not gonna bother anymore. I'll take a look at stuff after, but it's gotten to the point where it's essentially... I don't think there's any chance they get anything. Oh no, Bunny's sick. I'm gonna have to deal with that. Also, today I moved Tammy. Just a fun fact for everyone. Okay, Peanut's crafting, nice. This is still a mess. Now is this like right? Because that's like... Yeah, I guess? I don't know. I'm confused. I feel like one or both of those is not placed right. Alright, you can start pacing now. Yeah, no, I'm gonna figure out that later. For now, we'll just work on Tammy, and then tomorrow, Peanut. And we'll be good. Well, good-ish. Then everyone else will be in place, and there won't be a random house in the middle of nowhere. Okay, so real quick, let's put some stuff away. We'll put the plushie away, even though I don't really need it. Blah, 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 blah. I have a things to trade tab. I have like I have like 15 pieces of real art that I don't need. 15 extra pieces of art. Is that ridiculous? I don't know. It's not very helpful though. Not yet. I might have to trade eventually, I don't know. Or we'll just see that I have a huge art collection by the time that the museum's done. I feel like red will be the last one I have to deal with though, fortunately. I'm gonna put this away, and put that there. So we have a camping cot and a box sofa today to catalog. That's not it. Let's go here. Should be the last cot as far as I'm aware. Looking for snow camouflage. Wow, snow camo. Ain't that exciting. And then the box sofa, right? In white. Nice. I do like that one. I wish I had that one earlier. These ones would be cool. And then I just need the black box corner sofa. So if I take a quick look at my list of items needed, it's not updating. Great. Let me just double check the blue weevil. That's what I'm looking for. Blue weevil. All day on palm trees. Alright, cool. Okay, so if we look at all of the regular furniture that I need, it's basically only expensive stuff except for a cone and the box corner sofa. And there's 33 housewares, 10 miscellaneous, and 6 wall-mounted. So there's less than 50 pieces of regular furniture that I need. Then I should have everything. The rest is all the irregular, non-orderable stuff. So there's still like 56 models, 8 paintings, random things, and wreaths. And then there's still all the statues and the Nook Stop items, which I'm going to have to acquire somehow. Not looking forward to that, obviously. Okay, so this stuff is all junk now. I can go grab my points, grab the moving kit, check the stores, grab some medicine, give that to Bunny, move Tammy, and then I can get on my other character. It's a bit busy with all the moving and everything. I mean, it's one extra step, it just takes some time. Yep. I just want the dumb dress. Seriously, there's like less than 50 pieces of regular furniture, as I just said, so we're just gonna say no to the trees. Most of them are expensive, and I doubt we get them from a tree. And there's like 3 dresses I need from there. Okay, so it should line up like that. So you'd think you need to go here, but actually you need to go here because life is crazy. I didn't even check that one. I'm just like, yeah, nope, that's it. We're good. I mean, we're good though. That's right. So that's one more. So tomorrow we'll move Peanut. Peanut will go over here. And then all of my 4 favorites will be together. And then we can figure out what to do from there. I mean, basically, we're getting... Then I have to fix the Zucker and Marina situation, which I'm not looking forward to because I'm just not sure how I want things placed now, and I think they're messed up. So I'm gonna have to check that out. And then after that, maybe I'll do something with the pumpkins. Maybe. I'm not even in the store to look for furniture. I'm pretty sure there's like a 0% chance that I get anything from the store now. I've got so many of the items, it's highly unlikely that I am missing any of my variants, so I don't even think it's worth checking at this point. Like, I'm just here for the shovel and the medicine at this point. Alright, so that's that. Let's get out of here. No, we got something. Cool. Thank you. Alright, so we'll give Bunny this medicine, and then I'll switch over to my other guy. Her hat looks pretty funny. Ah, thanks for helping me. Here's a balloon hat, ya clown. Alright. Let's switch it up. Well then, Isabel signing off. So that should be the plushie again, which is not very helpful. Wow, look at all that interest. Oh my gosh. That's pretty nuts. Pretty nuts. So yeah, that's the plushie. We don't need it. I have like 4 of those plushies now, or 3. I don't know. Point is, I have too many of them, and I don't need them. Ah, summer shell. Cool. Cool. Alright. So we do need to get this guy the recipe, just in case. I haven't got a new recipe in a while now, when I think about it. It's been a hot minute. Also, can I just be done with all this moving soon? Because once I'm done that, I can, like, actually try to get some work in on the houses and make sure that they actually look nice. That would be cool. We're getting so close. So close. Wash up the downstairs. Alright, well there's the recipe at least. So ironwood low table. Just learn it, can we? Nope. Cool. Alright. So I did confirm earlier the blue weevil is all day on palm trees. The cicada shell is uncommon and all day on trees. And the other things are late. I honestly am not expecting to find any of these bugs on my island just because of the way that I play and the way it's laid out. I just don't think the odds will be in my favor that it will first spawn and then spawn somewhere that it's easy to actually see and not hidden behind lines of trees. So, yeah, I expect I'll have to force spawns, which isn't like the worst thing in the world. You just get rid of the rocks, get rid of the flowers, and then you're left with tree spawns. If the island has no river, you are, like, golden. Like, if I dug up trees and got to a bamboo island, I think that would probably be, like, peak. For getting the blue weevil, I think that would, like, make that happen instantly. I only need 1, right? Because I only released 1 accident. But I think the rates I'd get there would be pretty good if I just had palm trees on that island. I mean, there's like the Atlas moth and other stuff, so it just depends on what time it was. I'm not too worried about all the bugs, but like, they're just annoying. The cicada shell is just annoying, and I don't know, I only caught 1. Like, I seriously only caught the 1 that I donated. And the walking stick has just got a 2-hour window each day, which sucks. And it's kind of awkward to see, but I just need to go to an island then. The evening cicada I'm not worried about. And the blue weevil I just need 1, so I shouldn't be worried. And then August will be easy bug-wise. It's just a locust and 2 turtles for a fish. And then we're done. That's right, in just over a month I could be done with all the model collection stuff. That would be pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alright, so I will wrap up just after this. Rudda from another Rudda. Alright, so it's been just over 25 minutes. We got all the dailies done today. We gave Bunny medicine since she was sick. We got another 2 items in the mail. Gulliver was here, so we helped him on both characters. I'm going to drop this anchovy model, CJ, and the summer shell. That's fun. We got Tammy being moved today, which means that tomorrow we can move Peanut, and then everyone will be where they need to be. Then we just reassess the situation with Marina and Zucker and see if they're where I want them to be and fix that. If one is wrong, it's 2 days to move them out of the way and then move them back, which is a pain, but whatever, we're gonna have to deal with it. I don't know when I'm going to do the bug catching yet. Probably next week sometime. I would do it on Sunday, but I'll be on too late, which is annoying. The cuts off at 7. So, I don't know. I'll have to find some time during the week. That's also the other reason it's annoying, because it's just an awkward time for me to play and stream. Anyways, so that's that. Yeah, so daily-wise, we helped Gulliver, we helped Bunny, we got 2 more pieces of furniture, and we got Tammy being moved. There's not much else there. We got the plushie in the mail, which we don't need, just extra. I doubt you could trade that for any other good mom item, but who knows. And today is Thursday, so who is our last visitor? Sahara? Alright, great. We have Sahara tomorrow. Wonderful. That'll be excellent. Okay, I have rambled now for a bit. So, it's the start of a new month. Be some more Nook shopping stuff soon in the future. And we'll just keep going at it. The main things are to just work on the island and to get the rest of those bugs. So, we'll see that happen in the next week or 2. That's it though. Thanks for watching. I'm out of here and goodbye.